and subscribe to my small little channel. It would mean the world to me, so thank you very much. But let's start right into the topic. First of all, just click on the Windows search icon, type in FiveM, right-click on your FiveM app, click on Open File Location, and then a folder something like this should open, and then again, here we can see our FiveM shortcut. Right-click on it, click on Open File Location, and then we should be located in the gap data. And in here, just open the folder FiveM application data. And then we need to do a few things. First of all, I would suggest you to delete the crashes folder. So just select it and delete it. And then open the data folder. And in here, open the cache folder first of all. And then just delete everything that is in here. In order to do that, you need to close everything related to FiveM, every application, because you will get an error if something is open still. So just make sure that you close everything. You can use the task manager in order to do that. And then back to the data folder, open the server cache, and again here, just delete everything that is in here. And the last thing, I would also suggest you to clear the logs folder. So just open the logs folder, and here clear every log file that you have in here. So just press Ctrl+A on your keyboard, and then just delete everything that is in here. Perfect. Then we can already close this. Our servers should load again. The issue should be fixed now. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you've got any questions left or something didn't work, just type it in the comments down below. Wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.